knows that the dollar bill means that he can go over there and grab a treat when he flies back, right? So we'll see if he'll do it right now. So all you gotta do is just make a good perch with your arm so he's got a good spot to land with the dollar bill at the end so you can see where to fly, right? So perfect. If we just stay put like that, we'll see. He'll probably land on your arm, but I don't know. We'll find out. It's always a mystery at the bird show. Here we go. Right to our volunteer. Nicely done there. And show him what he does. Show him what he does. Thank you very much. Excellent.